Hello guys, we just woke up. So guys, now okay, you hear him screaming. So guys, now I'm gonna feed him errands to run. I have to go to the laundry, then probably we're gonna go to the store for mini Christmas shopping. Like I'm gonna do some pretty decorations for house and for my room, and then let's see, I don't know, just follow us. Okay, now he's screaming. I have to go out now. You just throw my makeup brush, you know that? Luca, what is this? What is this? Huh? It's your truck. Guys, I'm playing peekaboo with Luca. Peekaboo! Shut up! Peekaboo! Just put Luca to sleep. It's his nap time, so I'm just waiting for him to wake up, and then we are going to the laundry. I have to wash some clothes, and then Nico will come inside and we will think what to do. So while my baby sleeps, I have time to edit my yesterday's vlog. But I really want to say shout out to everyday vloggers. You guys are heroes, because filming and editing at the same time, it's not easy, guys. And I'm just working with this thing all day long. I'm editing in iPad, so every time I have free time I just edit it. And you know, when you have a baby and you are alone home, it's not easy to like edit whole day, so I'm just trying my best. So guys, and I'm so happy that you enjoy my everyday vlogs. So guys, now I have to finish editing my vlog. And so guys, Luca just overslept. He slept like almost 3 hours. So it's like already, oh, it's already dark, not getting dark, it's already dark. So my husband just came and we are going to the laundry now. We're gonna do laundry together. I've been like editing my previous vlog like almost whole day, and I still have not finished yet. So I'm just gonna be doing laundry, and I'm gonna take my iPad with me and I'm gonna edit there, and I hope I can post it in time. So guys, we are out. We're going to the laundry. Well, actually guys, I really hate this thing, but you know, who has rented the apartment, you know guys, who has rented the apartment, they will get what I mean, because you can have washing machine at home if you have a rented apartment. Because so guys, we are here. It's really hot here. So here you can get the money card for your washing machine. You can pay like cash, or you can pay with the debit card. Guys, they have this vending machine here. Luca always loves to play here. And there are the balls and some toys. You wanna get the ball? You wanna get the ball? favorite place. He's driving the car. Okay, I'm gonna try to get the ball. Usually I get it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Good luck to all of us. Okay, mommy got the ball. Now it's daddy's turn. Ooh, daddy got the goal. Ball. Look at it. I want to get this pink. Are you thinking? No. 1, 2, 3. Ball. So guys, we left the clothes in the washing machine and we just left the laundry and we're in the store and I found some cute Christmas decorations here. We're gonna do a mini Christmas shopping here. You got the car. You have the new car? Huh? You have the new car? Yeah? Positivity, like positive vibes, but you know it's life and there happens some things that are not, well, that are not positive and like it's really hard. So we were in the store and this evening was really hard and difficult for three of us, me, Nika and Luca. This is what happened. We were in the store that I was vlogging about this Christmas decorations and something like that, and then this was my fault. I accidentally put my phone somewhere and I just forgot. I thought my phone was in the car, and when I get back to the car and there was no phone, I was really nervous. My iPhone for my phone and I couldn't find it. Then Nika tried to find my iPhone and I was in the car with the baby, and then we decided both to go in the store and I was going to take a look at two inside the store, but I don't know how it happened, and this was like, I don't know how this could even be possible when I just get out from the car and closed my door and I was about to get to Lucas' side and get him from car seat. The door was locked and we didn't have extra keys, so Luca was stuck in the car and we were like really nervous because could hear us, and he got the key, but he could not guess what we were talking to him. We were telling him to press the button because the key was inside. I forgot to tell you. So it was really hard. We were like trying for 15 minutes to like help him to try to press the button on the key, and then we tried like everything. We got the wire and we tried to open the door from inside, but we couldn't do anything. And Luca got really afraid and he started crying and screaming, and well, it's really hard when I remember his eyes, how frightened he looked. We were already, we could do like anything to get him out from there. So my husband just broke the window of the car, and he just got in the car from the window. And so this is how everything finished. Well, thanks God I found the phone after that, and Luca was calm and he was hugging me like whole evening, and he just fell asleep like this. And if maybe someone will think that this is nothing, and this is not the thing that I should be so emotional, but I don't know, guys. If you have been there at my place, I almost died when I saw him, so frightened. And when I remember his eyes, how he was crying and asking us to open the door, well, it was really hard. I remember that I was flying with one of my friends and we're in the airport, and her son was 2 years old and he was stuck in the restroom door. In the restroom there was a door that was closing inside, and he was stuck there. And I remember my friend, how she was emotional and how she reacted about that. And I was really emotional too at that moment, but now I get her what she was feeling at that time, when she was thinking that her son was so frightened inside and he was crying and asking for mommy to get him out. This was crazy, guys. So guys, sorry if I just made you sad or with my story, but I really wanted to say this. And so now, guys, it's already really late. I was editing my vlog, like it's already 3:07. I hope I can sleep because it's really late. Luca and Nika are already sleeping, so I gotta go to bed now. So guys, thank you so much for watching and for your support. And also I wanted to say sorry about this ending of this video. I hope everything will be great, and yeah, I wish you everyone sweet dreams and like nice day if you're on the other side of the